I've always loved chemistry. I get chemistry. It's a challenging field to be in. It's not just easy. You don't get to just look at it and then understand it very well. You have to practice at it. I've always had a love for organic chemistry, so that's what made me choose biochemistry here. Students coming into the chemistry department can choose from biochemistry, forensic chemistry, or even environmental chemistry as their career path, and that'll give them the tools for their grad school program. Most of your classes aren't large auditoriums. They're pretty small classes where you can get the one-on-one help that you need. There's lots of opportunities for tutoring. There's lots of opportunities for community service and clubs. I'm actually the vice president of the chemistry club here. We have state-of-the-art labs here, actually, where we have the newest equipment. It's always very clean, very easy to use. We get great training on it. If we don't know how to use a particular piece of equipment, our instructors are always there to explain to us how to use it and how to use it correctly. There are lots of opportunities for undergraduate students to do research with faculty members here at Slippery Rock. We actually do national conferences where you are able to go and present your findings from your research with the faculty member that you have done research with, and that gives you a chance to travel and get to see other universities that have done research and get to see their findings as well. There are lots of opportunities in the field. You can do all types of things with it. You're always pushed to try harder, you're always pushed to do well, and you don't see that everywhere.